recovery and why rest builds results. Hello beautiful women, and welcome back to Menopause 365, day 35. And always let's begin breathing slowly. Tongue resting gently on the back of your two front teeth and kiss the breath away. Just relax, you're in exactly the right place. Now today you'll notice that I'm filming from the gym. And this is exactly the perfect place for today's conversation, because gyms are traditionally associated with effort, push harder, more sweat, burn, the vision of what you see. But what we're talking about today is something equally important and very often overlooked: recovery. The gym mindset versus the body's reality. When most people think about results, they think about training. But here is the truth: many women are never taught your body does not get stronger during exercise. Your body gets stronger during recovery. Not during the workout, but after. What happens inside your body every time you train, you are creating stress on the body. That's not a bad thing. Stress is necessary, but progress only happens when the body has time to repair, rebuild, restore, rebalance, and that happens in recovery. See, menopause, perimenopause changes the equation. During perimenopause and menopause, your body becomes more sensitive to stress. We've talked about this, right? Which means recovery takes longer, repair slows, cortisol impact increases, sleep becomes critical, inflammation becomes more reactive. So the old mindset of more exercise equals more results stops working. And that's why you may feel stuck. This is something I see constantly when we're talking to women. They say, I'm here all the time, I'm doing the classes, I'm pushing myself. I think we mentioned this yesterday. Yet you may be feeling exhausted, inflamed, achy, frustrated and stuck, because the body is not undertrained, it is under-recovered. You see, recovery is not doing nothing. Recovery is when your body repairs muscle, balances hormones, reduces inflammation, restores energy, supports fat metabolism, regulates the nervous system. And you see, without recovery, your body cannot adapt. So here's what's important. Here's an important reframe. Rest is not laziness, rest is biology. Recovery is not weakness, recovery is strategy. You see, your body thrives on rhythm, not constant pressure. Stress, recovery, challenges, repair, effort, support. So here's reflection and practice. Do you have your journal? And since we're in the gym today, let's reflect honestly. Question 1, am I training hard but recovering poorly? Sleep, rest days, downtime, mental recovery, nervous system recovery. Question 2, am I confusing exhaustion with progress? Very common trap. And question 3, what helps my body recover best? Quality sleep, gentle movement, breath, nutrition, hydration, stress regulation, supplements. Now write this down. Recovery is where my body rebuilds, because results are not built in punishment, they're built in balance. You're listening, you're learning, you're becoming, and there's so many things to remember, right? But you see, insights create awareness, action gets results. So I'm now going to go and do a workout. I've been working with some gorgeous ladies all day. I've been working on some programs. So I'm ready to move my body. Do I feel like it? Probably not really, but I'm going to do it anyway, because that's what it's about, right? Feel it and do it anyway. So you're worthy of all things wonderful. Yes, it takes a little bit of effort, but the effort is so worth it, and you're worthy of it, right? So I'll be right here with you tomorrow.